I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today we are discussing about small business performance assessment. In my last lecture, we have already discussed about the need of performance assessment and why we have to go for the evaluation process to be taken. Now, we have to judge down how we have to judge down the small business performance assessment. The major thing is why we have to check down this performance assessment. So, by the means of performance assessment, we have to improve our performance, planning and forecasting, compete, reward and comply with regulation and standard. These are basically the 6 fundamental principles is to be there for which we need performance. Once again, improve the quality, planning and forecasting of our project evaluation, compete from the market, then reward system, then comply with regulations and stabilization of the standard system. Because the performance assessment system, it is a set of strategic objectives and performance indicators that apply across the organization. It allows executives see the result generated by the units combined to influence the overall result of the company. Because performance assessment is not an assessment of yours, it is the assessment of entire company which you have set down as an entrepreneur. So, there are different areas was there. In which area we have to performance assessment can be take care. If that is the area of finance maybe. Because financial area determines what objectives have shareholders or owners of the business, balancing risk, growth profits with focus on the vision and strategy. So in the performance assessment, we have to look after financial parts to be there. Then client. Client means consumer, client means associates, client means business owners, whatever. For customer areas is the key to reach them through segmentation, translating it into the target market and customers. The value propositions we present customers will determine satisfaction and loyalty. If we get down satisfaction and loyalty, we can say that we are going towards the side of that. Then performance assessment, we can check down the process and operations. Process and operations. Once we know the customer wants, then the company must translate the internal process in order to meet client expectation. This is basically the process and then the part of the operations to be there. And just superficial level is to be there because we are just discussing what is the role, what is the mode of performance assessment in taking of the small businesses to be there. Then human resource and their capabilities. As the technology grows, the human resources of the business must identify the infrastructure that the organization must build to grow and improve on a long-term plan. Here, long-term plan. Because your organization is not for today, it's for future also. Later on you will, initially you may be here, later on you will be like that, later on you will be like that. So you have to take it. So you have to motivate the human resources, building the capacities of the information systems and providing power to employees to solve by themselves and difficulties for everyday operations to be. Now, so how we have to tackle these things to be there? Because for the financial measurement, for the financial task, for the HR measurement, you have to look after, there certain things can be carried out. But whatever the mode of their performance assessment is to be there. Whatever the system, in every institutions, in every climate is to be there, these are the basic parameters is to be there in which you need the assessment values. So now we are taking which assessment we have to take care. Maybe possibly some assessment need is to be there on HR basis, some assessment maybe on the basis of financial adjustment, some assessment may be cleared down on the basis of marketing and their operational activities to be there. So first assessment we have to take care, that is management by objectives. Management by objectives. Generally it is known as MBO. So management by objectives is the appraisal system method where managers and employees together identify, plans, organize and communication objectives to focus on during a specific appraised period is to be there. In that period we have to check down whatever the things can be come down. So management by objective is basically a flow chart where the manager is like that. Then we have to check down whatever plan, monitor and then review process. In every system is to be take care. A manager is there, employee is here, and from getting each and every information we get, whatever our planning is to be there, whatever our monitoring, we have to check down our quality systems, we have to check down our resource systems, other feedbacks process can be carried out, we have to check in planning process, we can just check down what our objective is to be there, how we have to implement our mission and what is the major complete side on the basis of vision is to be there. Then in the review we have to collect the complete result, award system, then take up. So in the review we have to take up the side of the employees also, because whatever the good side was there, and we take up it completely from the manager side also, whatever the review. And if anything is a positive or negative, we just go through that line. So in the management by objectives, we have set down whatever the top management, if I am entrepreneur, I am establishing the unit, so whether I am accomplishing, whether I am achieving the real task of management or not, we should be checked down. So first we have to just check down our assessment by the means of the management by objectives. The second, basically, before going to the setting, you just tell me where it is ideal for. MBO, where it is to reduce it. For measuring quantitative and qualitative output of senior management, like manager, director is the company is to be in a long run stage. This is a big science to be there. So we have to. Now the second thing is, 360 degree. Here you may be confused to be there. In third, this is the HR part. Yeah, definitely, because degree feedback. Because if I am running my own business to be there, the performance assessment can be carried out, some employees are already involved, some outsources are also involved, so we have to take up complete system foolproof should be. We have to take the feedback from all the resources, whatever the product. Here I am just adding one thing to here. 360 means our consumers, our retailer, our associates, our employees, each and everything should give down a complete feedback. By the means of that feedback, we have stabilized the clear-cut admirers to be there. Because this is 360 degree is administered on the basis of self-appraisal, then management reviews, peer reviews, so and it also deals with the subordinates appraising, then customers or clients, So we have to monitor each and everything in such a way by which we can get down to where we are, what we are, and why we are. If I have started with very good vision is to be there, and we just identified the thing, we take up this type of feedback, can we come down from the market, from the retailer, with the associates, we have taken the management devices, then definitely we will get on the success to be. Because if we are diversification is to be there, ultimate we have to reach down our line of track. The main thing is up. Then the third method we can take up by the means of assessment centers method. So, assessment center. Assessment center method. This is basically all our things is the tools, techniques, whatever. The concept of polished way is come down in the means of assessment centers to be. The assessment center method enables employees to get a clear picture of how others are doing the things. If I am doing, I am giving the third party reflection to it, and then we will check down research just to check how we are performing, how the things can be carried out. And we have taken up some outside noticeable forms to be there. Generally, this form can be carried out in the terms of human resource planning, human resource management process to be there. But in certain institutions, these things also used in the terms of operations management. Like if you have to come down, like FMCG product, like food product, this thing is to be used in that particular segment was there. In this, we have to take, because the taste is to be top priority, so we have to check down. In this typical assessment formation, there is a 3 stage can be carried out. First is pre-assessment, what we are, pre-assessment, then during assessment, and then we are to the post-assessment. इसको ऐसे समझ लीजिए, किसी दिन आपकी क्लास हो रही है और मैंने बता दिया मैं आज आपका टेस्ट लूंगा. अब क्या करेंगे आप सब तैयार होकर के आएंगे, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी गिवन डाउन द टेस्ट, तो आपको नोटिस मैंने पहले से दी. दिस इज द प्री टेस्ट. ठीक, बट इफ I am not giving you any type of indications to be there, we are taking the test and we have just giving at the time of the classes to be there, then things will be totally different to be there. The result will be totally different. So in the assessment center, we are taking the 2 phases to be there, pre and post logic is to be. And then after the post logic, we can just cut down the cumulative result is to be there. कि हमने आपको बताया तो ये रिजल्ट आया, हमने आपको नहीं बताया तो ये रिजल्ट आया. So in the assessment center, we have to use up both the languages to be there. Because the main thing, if others are seeing, then we are doing, this is not problem. We should do whatever the job, whatever the responsibility, whatever the accountability, whatever the accomplishment is to be. So everything, each and everything in the performance assessment formation is to be there, because we are establishing our unit as a small entrepreneur. If the thanks. So now, fourth part. In the fourth, we are using very small things to be there. It's like we have the behaviorally anchored scale. Behaviorally anchored scale measures. So behaviorally is anchored rating scales. Completely it's known as bars. Behaviorally anchored rating scales. In this, we have just checked down how we have performance others to be. This is basically the assessment center was there, assessment values is to be there, in which we have to take here. In this bars, we have to take the generation was there. Then critical indicators and in-depth typical values can be carried out at the workplace environment is to be there. In this workplace system, in the workplace environment, we just check down where we are, how we have to clear down the things. So in that behavioral improvement, because after each and every process to be there, if we are working in this condition, whatever the result is to be there, if you have taken some good condition can be come down, definitely what the result can be conceptualized to be there. So in this, we have to just acknowledge. Then on the basis of industrial psychological appraisal can be carried out. Industrial psychological test can be, appraisal can be carried out. Industrial, this is generally we can say of psychological appraisal measures or industrial psychological measures, because a small business in already started in some specific zone is to be there. Some demographic factors can be carried out at the starting values is to be. Then some family person is to be there, some family background can be carried out, some statistical measurement has been already taken care in the system administration is to be there. So in this psychological appraisal, now what we feel as an entrepreneur, so we have to check down our values of thinking, our themes of vision, our clarity by a certified psychologist. Now we are at the starting point of route, we are here, then after here, maybe this our vision is to be there. But when a clear psychologist was there, he will check my attitude toward the side of the development, because अगर हमारा सोच अच्छी होगी, हमारी सोच ग्रोइंग लेने वाली होगी, तो हम और आगे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. So in the terms of entrepreneurship management, in the terms of assessment, we should check down ourselves also, because it's real cut idea whether we have the capacity or not. And finally, we have take up human resource accounting method. This is for HR person is to be there. If you got a task in such a way, till that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the 5 measures I told you? It is basically the small business performance assessment. This is human resource, cost accounting method. Cost accounting method, because ultimate you have established the unit. Now you are establishing the performance assessment of your company is to be there. So you just check down whether whatever the people is to be involved in your company, they are at the right place, at the right position, with the right remuneration or not. If you are providing each and everything in such a manual by which other can clearly understand that you are really going success. If your earning is good, fine. You are doing the business well, product accessibility well, companies known by the others to be there, then okay. You are using whatever the rules and regulation from the government, it's okay, very, very fine is to be there. You are ready to take already growth phase, and you are now from the diversification business can be come down. In the diversification, so that means you whatever the human resources involved with you, associated with you, or guiding to you, they are well formed to be there. But this rating is to be take care properly, because total business is depend on your handle. So whenever we are discussing anything regarding the performance assessment, regarding the performance values, we should take care each and every aspect, like whatever we are discussing, how we have to discuss the things. So we have to check each and everything, like our financing values. We have already told you, because whatever the measures is to be their finance, then we can say client, then we discuss about process and operations, then we have checked down our human resources. This is to be clear-cut establishment is to be there, because performance assessment is a clear-cut arena of your achievement and success in the field of entrepreneurship development. Now this is the closing ceremony here. Now this is the part of performance assessment.